Kia ora, my name is Hannah and I'm a geology student at the University of Canterbury. Volcanic hazards can seem like a scary, unknown danger. However, with education and care, these hazards can be manageable. This experiment is intended to help people of all ages understand the differences between some types of lava and their varying behaviour. For this video, I've adapted the elephant's toothpaste scientific experiment made by mixing hydrogen peroxide and yeast. I've built the volcano out of sand around a plastic bottle and added some food colouring to create the orange lava you can see in the video. I added a little bit of dish soap to create a more bubbly look in some eruptions. See if you can spot which ones I used dish soap in. Some lava can be extremely viscous. Viscosity is how sticky or thick a liquid is. Viscosity in a lava is usually a combination of how hot the lava is, as well as how many crystals or bubbles are in it. The most common type of highly viscous lava is rhyolite, found in volcanoes like Mount Tarawera and the Taupo caldera. Rhyolite has a large number of crystals and bubbles dissolved in it, and moves relatively slowly for lava. Some rhyolite can be so sticky that it just forms a small dome over the top of the vent. We call these features lava domes. During an eruption, these lava domes can collapse, sending rivers of hot ash and steam down the sides of the volcano. We call these pyroclastic flows. Now, it's important to note that most lava won't look exactly like toothpaste like it does in this video, but the dome that you can see being produced is pretty accurate. Some lava can be really runny, which volcanologists would refer to as low viscosity lavas, and moves quickly and can cover long distances. The most common type of runny lava is basalt, found in the Auckland volcanoes. Basalt is more commonly found overseas, in places like Hawaii or Iceland, and you might have seen videos from these volcanoes before, with their large, impressive fountains of lava. Most of the volcanoes in New Zealand are somewhere in between these two types of lava, with a lava type named andesite. Famous volcanoes of this type include Mount Taranaki and Mount Ruapehu, which actually look quite similar to the sand volcano I've built, with tall, relatively steep sides. We call these types of volcanoes stratovolcanoes, although there are many other different types of volcanoes, including calderas, shield volcanoes, cinder cones, and volcanic fields, such as the Auckland Volcanic Field, which I mentioned earlier in the video, which are made up of lots of smaller volcanoes in a group, fed by the same magma source. Did you spot that small plume just before the lava came down the side of the mountain? You can see small globs of the lava getting thrown. Here it is again. These are commonly referred to as ballistics, and are formed by a violent shattering of the magma as it makes its way up the vent, sending bits of cooling lava in every direction. These ballistics can be quite dangerous, but don't tend to fly very far from the volcano. Regardless of the type of lava, most lava flows, as seen in this demonstration, will tend to follow the valleys on the mountain. So if you're ever around a volcanic eruption, try to get as far away as possible from the mountain to avoid the hazard posed by ballistics and lava flows and pyroclastic flows, and try and get up high. I hope this video has helped you learn a little bit more about volcanoes and maybe even inspired a passion in you about volcanoes and encouraged you to research further. Thank you for watching. I'll leave you with the last little bits of this lava eruption playing in the background.